Hey guys. In this video we are going to checking out the top 5 best folding electric bike under $2,000 in 2022. I made this list on my personal opinion and our research. I have a list of them based on their quality, feature, durability, price and more. If you want more information and updated price on the products mentioned, be sure to take the links in the description down below. Also make sure you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay update latest technology reviews. So let's get started. Number 5. ADES Oasis A20 Folding Electric Bike. This bike made lightweight aluminum alloy, 40% lighter than the high carbon steel, aluminum alloy body, light damping, riding more relaxed, 350-watt Hall brushless gear Dece motor. This bike provides the cross-country motor riding experience, cross the hill, mud road, forest, enjoy your life. The maximum 25 km/h speed and maximum 30-degree gradient. This bike 36-volt, 10.4 amp-hour lithium-ion battery for fast charging 6 hours, supports riding range from 60 kilometers. You can charge on off the electric bike by your convenience. No worry for riding on raining days. Double disc brake system. Front and rear double disc brake system. Fast heat dissipation design. Ensure the emergency brake. Smooth brake. Safe and reliable. It also inflatable rubber tire. Multi-layer thick rubber tire. Super grip. Anti-skid and explosion proof. Maximum load capacity 120 kilograms and enjoy riding in all kinds of surface road. Best user experience. It also 10-second quickly folding system. 3-stage foldable design and convenient to store. This bike provide HD LCD screen. You can check real-time query cycling date. Clearly display under the sunshine. Number 4. EOS Steer Motor A20 Folding Electric Bike. It also 6061 aluminum alloy frame, as an all-terrain e-bike. The sleek streamlined contour accentuates the uniqueness and style of your ride. 500-watt high-magnification brushless motor. In the fully charged and pure power mode, maximum speed 40 km/h. It also be 36-volt 13Ah lithium removable battery. Maximum distance 20 to 35 mile. Charging time 4 to 6 hours. This electric bike has 3 working modes: electric mode, pedal assisted and normal pedaled. You can choose electric bikes to enjoy long-term travel or exercise. The combination of 3 modes is the better choice. This bike provide dual disc brakes so you can coast smoothly even after you stop pedaling. This kid's fat bike comes with dual lever actuated disc brakes that put control and safety at your fingertips. Our electric bicycle using 20*4-inch fat tires, front and rear disc brakes fully protect your safety. You can ride on the beach and snow. Maximum load capacity 300 lb. You can set the wheel diameter, speed, backlight, mileage unit, riding mode, paw gear. LED screen displays battery power, speed, mileage, gear, wattage. Number 3. Shangnichangmilo MX20 Folding Electric Bike. The body of folding electric bike is made of aluminum alloy. It also 500-watt high-speed brushless motor, climbing up to 35 degrees, high magnetic steel skills, high temperature resistance and non-demagnetization. This bike maximum speed 30 to 50 km/h. It also be 48-volt 15 amp-hour high-performance automotive power lithium battery. This bike maximum range pure electric mode can be about 40 kilometers. Auxiliary mode is about 50 kilometers. It can be fully charged in 5 to 7 hours. When charging can be removed or directly placed on the bicycle charging. This bike front and rear double disc brakes. This brakes are pinched in the electric bicycle. This motor is preferentially powered off and the custom disc brakes are more secure. It also 26x4.0 professional mountain bike tires. The wider the tire surface, the larger the adhesion surface. Can reduce bumps. Can withstand the impact of 1000-watt motor. As comfortable as a car. It can conquer any road, including mountain road, gravel road, snow. This bike provides 3 working mode: electric mode, assist mode, manpower mode. The HD LCD meter provides the rider with basic information: remaining battery life, total distance traveled, current speed, selected assist level, headlight on prompt, error code, etc. Number 2. qiyoux A26 Folding Electric Bike. This frame made aluminum alloy. Aluminum will not produce sparks. Aluminum is non-toxic, will not affect the appearance of the product and will not corrode the product. It also 1000-watt brushless motor. The friction is greatly reduced during operation. The operation is stable and the noise is low. Maximum speed 50 km/h. This bike large capacity 48-volt 12.8 amp-hour lithium removable battery. The electric bike power can last up to 80 km. km. Charging time 5 hours. You can ride freely and explore the unplanned journey easily. This bike front and rear XOD hydraulic brake system has good high temperature resistance and stable braking effect and had higher safety when driving in winter and harsh road conditions. This electric bike 3 working mode. You can choose the e-bike to enjoy a long time travel. Also you can choose pedal assist or normal bike for more exercise. This bike provide LCD display meter. This display accurate energy speed mileage display. Instrument backlight. This bike 26-inch 4.0 fat tire. Strong grip and low resistance. Durable suitable varies of complicated road conditions. It also be LED night light clearly see the road condition at night riding safely. Number 1. VLFINA FX01 Folding Electric Bike. It also 1000 watt high-speed brushless motor brings unlimited power. Maximum speed 30 to 50 km per hour. It also large capacity 48 volt 12.8 amp hour lithium built-in battery. Waterproof and anti-theft design. Can drive about 40 km in pure electric state. Drive 80 km in assist mode. There are 2 ways to charging system. You can charge directly or you can charge the battery after disassembly. It also front and rear double oil brake configuration braking more stable and safer. Double hidden spring shock absorbing front forks. 300 pounds of shock absorbers in the middle. High strength air pressure cushioning shock AVO S-arbors greatly reduce shocks and can be freely adjusted and locked. It has a 26-inch 4.0-inch wide fat tire. Snow, sand beach, urban roads are free from obstruction. Maximum load capacity 200 kg. This electric bike 3 riding modes. Considering the 3 modes of pure electricity, power and manpower effectively increasing the cruising range. LED intelligent control system 4.5-inch large screen display. Waterproof design more intelligent control system. LED lens lighting system front high beam spotlight and LED lights save energy while making the rider safer at night.